sure you want to give that one.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Oh, look who's up. Rise and shine.
I was tired.
I'm sure you weren't, being up all night sending me pictures of you and Kim. You wouldn't answer my text.
Uh-oh.
You were sending me pictures of you guys, like...
Well, that's an answer. Isn't a picture worth
Here.
1,000 words?
Let's
All
turn
right,
this
well,
way.
this party is over.
There you go. You good now?
I'm not into staying home by myself every night.
Can you put the phone down? Can you hang up the phone? Good girl. No, ma'am.
Wake up in the
Oh,
night,
God.
and then I see, is Scott home? Is he not home? I can't
Okay.
sleep as well.
Take two.
Put pillows in my bed. I can make pretend I'm there.
How did you know that?
So you really don't need to be talking on the phone and driving. One hand on the wheel? Really?
I'm telling you, the party's over.
We're around a couple times. I'm fine.
Hey. I
Oh,
just wanted
okay.
to tell you that the party's over.
Now where are we going? You getting Elmo? Where's Elmo?
Mine is
Elmo!
home with his pregnant
There's Elmo.
friend and son. So, right.
And there's an annoying dog.
I'm literally
Hi, girl.
in bed by myself.
Chill. Here. Let's see. You hit this one. There we go. Holly, can you sit down?
Find your own boyfriend. Toodles.
Oh, thank you. Now where are you going? Here, you want to get in here? Go get in there. Oh, okay. Oh, Lord. Okay, we'll save it. Bye-bye.